If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll keep the content coming. Here's an update on the Mercedes Benz SL 550 flood that we repaired. We pulled out the entire interior, dried the vehicle out, cleaned all the contacts, sanitized the interior, installed the interior back in, and detailed the vehicle. It's in absolute pristine condition right now. The body's flawless, really nice. The interior, doors are locked right now, but inside is really nice. No odor, no smell. The seats are in really good shape. Everything works. The top works. All the electronic functions are working perfectly. We road tested the vehicle. Took it home last night, drove it. Drives like new. We are scheduling a salvage inspection in New Jersey. We will be selling this vehicle with a rebuilt title. There will be financing available on this vehicle. Look at that body, the paint's brand new on this car. Yeah, so we'll be able to do some financing on this vehicle. Look inside. Sorry about the doors being locked. I just don't feel like going to get the keys. Look at the body. Really nice. Not a single scratch on the car. We will be selling this vehicle 25 to 30% off retail because of the salvage history. We're going to take detailed photos soon, put it up on the website. Hey, good morning.